Hi guys, how are you doing? Okay, now this video is in continuation with the previous turtle video. In the previous turtle video, we learned how to use the turtle and make a basic shape. I hope you have gone out and experimented your own different shapes like squares. Okay, I'll show you code to make a circle right away. Okay, so to make a circle, there is only a one line statement. Before that, just make a circle here. Okay, a dot circle. I'll change the color first to red. And oh, that's a wrong statement. COLOR, red. Okay, and I'll do a dot circle of radius 150. So it's going to be a big circle. There you go. The circle, turtle makes the circle from the starting point, and the radius is 150. Okay, that is the distance between the end of the circle to the center point here, which is not shown. Okay, now that is the code to make a circle. You can go ahead and experiment, put a different radius here in place of 150 and then tell me what happens. Make a bigger and or smaller circle, change the colors, do all that. And then after you do that, let's come back here and let's notice the code for triangle. These were all the lines that I used to write triangle code. So if you see, I have repeated the forward 100 and left 120 three times. Now I've also learned loops. I've shown you how to use loops. So I'll do the same code with loops. Command N. I'm going to do this in a file rather than a shell, just so to show you that we can do it both ways. So here I'm going to write the turtle code, import turtle. Now I'm going to write a variable b equals to turtle dot pen. Okay. I'm going to make a loop, say a while loop. While. Okay. Now while what? While how many times? So I need a counter variable. Counter equals to 1. Counter equals to 0 because we haven't done anything. And while the counter is less than or equal to say 3, right? Because that's how many times I'm going to paste this. I'm going to copy paste. I want these two statements to run. So I'll do b dot forward. I'll make a little bigger triangle, 150. B dot left by 120, and I should be sure to increase my counter. Alright, so that the counter at some point exceeds 3 and it will break out of the loop. That's that. So now let's run this code. I have done command save. For some reason my MacBook is slowing down. Go to code and then I'm going to save it as turtle loops 1. Okay, so let me run the code here. Hopefully we will see the thing here. Great. So I think what's happening here is it is running 4 times, so I should do less than equal less than 3. And let's run the code again now. Less than equal to 3 made the counter take values from 0, 1, 2, and 3, and so that is 4 values, right? So forward and left were done 4 times, and thus you saw the turtle overwriting some, overdrawing the triangle again. So now this should be fine. So this time the counter will take values 0, 1, and 2 each time the loop runs. So let's run the code. Saved it, running it. Now it's going to make the triangle. It has made the triangle, and there you go. That's that. So that's a basic, while loop. Now I'm going to use something else. I'll show you how to use a for loop also. And in conjunction with the while loop, I can create some complicated, but fancy designs. I'll keep that for the next video. For this video, I'll end it right here. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, please put it in the comment section. If you like it, just give a thumbs up, say it's great, and that will give me some boost my morale. Thank you so much, and yeah, just stay tuned. See my next video for loops.